Hello there, my YouTube people. Um, I know I haven't really been doing a YouTube video recently, and I'm actually at a different location. If you've realised, I'm actually on a laptop. Anyway, well, problem is I'm around my mates at the moment. No, that's not the problem. No, my mate's cool. What I mean is, I'm around my mates at the moment, and obviously his laptop has got a webcam, and the problem why I can't do it in my little room where I used to do it before is my computer has got a virus. So sorry about that. Can't really have my computer getting a virus. So for once only, this is gonna this well my YouTube video will be done on a laptop. Now I know I was gonna do Chris Brown, Beautiful People, but I've never really tested anything with a laptop before. So until the next time I sing, the next video will be Beautiful People. But for now, Katy Perry. Oh, for now, Katy Perry. Right, that was the smoke. Right, sorry, that was the smoke alarm. Bloody hell, that ain't gonna stop me. I can't be bothered to retake it. So let's just say that was a funny. What the hell? Right, this is Katy Perry with, E.T. whatever it is. Load up. This goes quite quickly. I got a dirty mind. I got filthy ways. I'm trying to breathe my envy in your Milky Way. I'm a legend. I'm a religion. I'll be reverend. I'll be so. Alien, a big-headed astronaut. Maybe it's because yo boy used to get that a lot. You're so hypnotizing. Could you be the devil? Could you be an angel? Your touch. cut, cut. Oh my god. Oh.